How to convert index of a Pandas data frame into a column. This seems rather obvious, but I can't seem to figure out how to convert an index of data frame to a column. For example, 2.
Either or .reset_index. If you have a multi-index frame with 3 levels of index, like, and you want to convert the first, tick, and third, OBS, levels in the index into columns, you could do
For multi-index you can extract its subindex using where s_name is the name of the subindex. To provide a bit more clarity, let's look at a data frame with 2 levels in its index, a multi-index. The reset_index method, called with the default parameters, converts all index levels to columns and uses a simple range index as new index. Use the level parameter to control which index levels are converted into columns. If possible, use the level name, which is more explicit. If there are no level names, you can refer to each level by its integer location, which begin at 0 from the outside. You can use a scalar value here or a list of all the indexes you would like to reset. In the rare event that you want to preserve the index and turn the index into a column, you can do the following.
If you want to use the reset_index method and also preserve your existing index, you should use or to change it in place. For example, and if you want to get rid of the index label, you can do
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.